when real heroes are needed in the field. The New Holland T-7.315H-D PLMI and Big Baler 1290 high density. Step onto the stage with 315 horsepower under the hood. The T-7.315HD not only handles the work but dominates it. And with the intelligent PLMI control system, you can operate this giant with ease. The Big Baler 1290 HD creates perfect high-density bales, ensuring maximum space utilization and excellent hay quality. Think about how great it will be to see the neat, dense bales fully ready for storage and transport. Such a powerful duo is the perfect solution for those who want to turn every day on the farm into a productive adventure.